Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection safe and visible. Unplug the charger from both MacBook and wall, then wait a full minute so any residual charge dissipates. Use a magnifier and a soft brush to remove loose debris. This prevents shorts. Once done, power clean only with isopropyl 90% plus on a lint-free swab to dissolve grime. Avoid excess liquid. If you see bent pins, mark the exact ones visually. This tells you where to focus the repair. Now you correct the pin geometry and restore conductivity. Use a plastic pick or spudger to nudge bent pins back to parallel. You want minimal force to avoid breakage. Then clean corrosion carefully with 90% plus isopropyl and a soft brush, and let it air dry completely. Moisture hides faults. Once clean and aligned, repeatedly test fit the connector without powering on to verify smooth insertion. If it seats correctly, plug in and look. Finish by securing and validating the repair. If pins are merely loose, apply a hairline dab of clear epoxy or hot glue outside the contact area to prevent movement. Make sure nothing conducts. Once set, test charge duration and temperature. If pins are fractured or intermittent, replace the charger head or cable. Do not attempt brittle solder repairs on magnetic connectors. If charging still fails, try a known good charger. Perform an SMC reset on the MacBook, and if problems persist, seek Apple authorized service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.